Okay, so kitchens came up a lot this week with clients, so treat this more as a brain dump of unsolicited design advice that you didn't ask for, but you probably need. So we're talking the one thing that you'll need when you hire your carpenter to do your custom cabinetry, what to do with those ugly range hoods. Yes, they're ugly. 3, how to get a bougie custom kitchen with a ramen budget. And 4, what to choose for your kitchen countertops. So grab a coffee, put on your design hat like I did, and let's lock in. So before you hire someone to build out your dream kitchen, or if you've already hired a carpenter to do this for you, please answer a freaking questionnaire. Not just what your kitchen cabinet is going to look like, not just what color do I want, or what kind of wood do I want to go with? Or do I go custom or semi-custom? But more like, do I actually cook? Do I have 5 air fryers that I have to hide? Or where do I put my toaster oven? Carpenters aren't mind readers, so you're going to need to tell them what you want. But the first step to do here is to come up with a kitchen checklist. It's basically design therapy for you and your kitchen. It tells you what your kitchen needs before you forgot to put in a pantry. So I'll go ahead and include a link to a questionnaire that I use for my clients in the description below. So that way you can get a head start on your custom kitchen cabinetry. So range hoods are a necessary evil. You hate them, but you literally need them. But now, what do you do if you don't like how it looks? So you've got 3 options here. So the first one being an insert. So if you choose an insert range hood, you can basically do what it's named for. Insert it into an existing kitchen cabinet. And that way you can just hide it. So think of it kind of like the Spanx for appliances. And then if you want something more of a statement, build a frame around your range hood. So instead of getting an insert, you're going to most likely want to get a wall-mounted range hood. It'll give your contractor a bit of a project to work on, but you'll definitely be able to make more of a statement building a frame around it. You can either wrap it in wood or wrap it in plaster, tile, marble, whatever you want, just as long as it's fire safe. So that way you can make a bold statement in your range hood. The last option we have here is to just simply get a pre-made cover. So you can buy these from Amazon, Wayfair, Home Depot, even Lowe's, any of your big box stores, and just basically just get a cute little hat for your ugly range hood. The last thing I want to say about this is just don't overthink it. Just pick one if you want your range hood to disappear or make a statement. If you're broke but ambitious and you want to live on a top ramen budget for the rest of the year, so that way you can get a dream kitchen, go with IKEA bases with fancy doors. Because if you end up going with IKEA bases, you can always opt in for more fancy doors. So I'm going to go ahead and include a list of companies that you can choose from that will help you get these doors for you. And if you don't like any of these other options, you can always go to Etsy and get lost for 6 hours. Another quick way of getting kitchen cabinets done for cheap, there's a lot of local places that do semi-custom cabinetry for you. You just need to go ahead and Google them in your local area and ask for what they have on inventory. I love Anzacs and Form LA, but unless you're Beyonce, you're probably not dropping $10,000 a slab to get your kitchen countertops. So a few affordable swaps that you can do here is getting porcelain, quartz, or quartzite. Nowadays, there's a lot of companies that do really good alternative porcelain, quartz. They're like marble's practical cousins, but cheaper. No one's going to know. My pro tip here is to go to Facebook Marketplace. A lot of other local businesses or even people who are doing renovation jobs might be giving away their remnants for free or at a lower price. But what I would recommend is to check with your fabricator first, or you'll end with a 7-foot marble slab that you can't even use. So yeah, that's your kitchen TED Talk for the week, except it's free and a little bit more chaotic. So tell me in the comments if you are okay to splurge on real stone countertops, or if you want to IKEA hack your way through your entire kitchen project. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.